Can you really master anything in just 4 steps? I'm going to be talking about that today in this video. What's up? Tira Green here, and if you're new to this channel, I'm someone who loves to help you level up your mindset so that you can unlock as much success as you'd like in affiliate marketing, even if you're a beginner. And now today I wanted to talk about something that's very, very important, and it won't even just matter in your life as an affiliate marketer, but in any aspect of your entrepreneurial journey. So we're going to go over to my computer, and I prepared something for you there, so I'll see you in just a second.
24 hours later.
Let me ask you this. When you're on a new journey, at what stage of mastery, what level do you experience the negative emotions? Now you're going to put a comment below with your answer and make sure you put level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. Now, if you answered level 2, conscious incompetence, you are correct. That's when you experience all the negative emotions, because stage 1, you don't even know what you know. So how could you have negative emotions, right? No, this is also something to consider, again, when it comes to ego. Some folks never get better because they can't even honestly realize when they don't even know what they don't know. But here, for example, if you're in a dance class, it's like something where there's going to be partners, like line dancing, swing dancing or something. But people find out that you have basically 2 left feet. They don't want to partner with you. You start getting frustrated, embarrassed, feeling like you're not good enough. You start to really know that, okay, I can't dance. And those negative emotions start to creep in. So what benefit is knowing that? Well, knowing this in advance is going to, again, put you ahead of the curve, and it helps you lay the foundation so that negative emotions don't affect you, but instead you can work with them to level up. But I'll let you also know that to overcome self-sabotage and getting in your own way, the secret is that you have to include those negative emotions on the journey. Now, I'll probably do another video about negative emotions in a future video, but I just wanted to leave you with that little bit of information as well. Now, if you're really enjoying this video, I encourage you to pay attention to this next part. Now, I'm briefly going to talk about what happens with your neurochemistry. So this is what happens with your physical body at stage 2. What I'm about to share with you, most people don't even know this. So if you like what you've been listening to and hearing right now and been seeing, go ahead and make sure that you like this, because it's going to help other people get this information as well, okay? Now, this next part is for those people that like to dive deeper and really understand everything, especially how it actually works scientifically. So I know that I'm a health coach, and so one of my passions is brain health, and I love science. I'm a child of a scientist. It's a bit of a biology lesson, but please hear me out, because this might change the way that you implement the 4 steps, and so that you can actually do them in a better and faster and easier way. Because when I learned it, everything got easier for me, and I hope it will for you with this knowledge. So 2 things happen in the brain at level 2. A ganglia is formed and myelin is produced. So you can talk about basketball, or you can apply this to any area of life, but basically every time you do something repetitively, basically what's going to happen is you're going to get better at it, right? But what happens scientifically is that a neural connection happens in the brain, and the more you do it, another neural connection happens, then another, then another, then another, and then you finally have this network of neural connections in the brain. And now that network of neural connections in the brain is called a ganglia. Now, a ganglia, it's where a neural pathway in the brain, they just layer over each other. So it's basically you're doing Facebook ads or affiliate marketing, or you're learning to drive a car, and ganglias are formed. And then once you're practicing more and more and more at the conscious incompetence stage, the stage 2, you are aware that you suck. But the thing is, this is where people mostly quit. Okay, this is where people, they're getting that negative emotion and they just want to quit. But I'm going to share with you the next thing that happens. Myelin gets produced, and this is proof that nature has our back and that it wants you to win. Okay, so myelin is basically like a coating on a wire. And myelin only gets produced in stage 2 when you're learning a skill, conscious incompetence. It's only when it gets produced. To give you something tangible, if you're talking about coating on a wire, like your earbuds, okay, you might have like a white coating or a black coating or whatever color it is, but inside there's actually wire. And so originally that coating on the outside stopped signal leakage, so that signal gets transmitted faster. Then, over time, coating evolved to be made for safety. Okay, so The neural connections, the ganglia, are the wire. The myelin is like a white substance that coats the neural connections in the brain, in the ganglia. And basically, the myelin occurs so that those neural connections can form faster, so that you can move through stage 2 and move into stage 3. So that's what myelin does when you get to level 2 or stage 2. As long as you do the practical steps I've outlined, it will be that power boost, that level up that will get you to the 3rd level of mastery, probably even quicker than if you just give up. Isn't that crazy that that's how we're set up as humans, or rather how life has set us up to win? But what do most people do? Like I said, when they get to stage 2, they're gonna have this consciously incompetence. They're gonna honestly say to themselves, hey, I'm not good at something, and then they quit. But now that you have a deeper understanding, we know how the 4 levels of mastery work. We know that when we're feeling these negative emotions, we're consciously incompetent. You know that that ganglia is being formed. You know that myelin is being produced to help you, us, go through that and to level up. It's basically like the 10,000 hour rule, which I will do a video on if you haven't heard of that before. Basically, the more you do something, you level up to that level of mastery. But maybe I'll also do an episode on bad habits and why we create them and how to get out of those bad habits and form good ones, because I've got a lot of experience with this too. But anyway, when Einstein died, they found that he didn't have a bigger brain than anyone else. He didn't have a more dense brain than anyone else, but his brain had like 20 times more myelin than the average person. So what does this mean? Well, he would have stayed in the conscious incompetence stage 2 of staying in those negative emotions and trying to figure things out a lot longer than other people. So consider this when you are facing a negative emotion and stick it out versus going to veg out on YouTube, for example. So let's just tie this all together. When you have this layer of understanding in advance, it helps you to move forward and to not stop and to not quit, to never give up. And now you have that context of like, okay, when I'm learning a new skill, if it's driving traffic, if it's writing sales copy, if it's managing my team, handling support, whatever it is, you know that you can approach it as if it's okay. Like I'm where I need to be. It's normal. There are other affiliate marketers who've come before me who have experienced this. You know, if you can just stay with those negative emotions for a little bit longer, they're going to move away and you're going to push forwards. And remember, it's natural. You're only going to experience negative emotions because you're in a specific stage of learning. Stage 2 of the 4 levels of mastery. So, be okay with it. Relax. There are people that have come before you, and as long as you just stick with it, you're going to get through it, you're going to push through, and you will achieve the goal in due course. No matter if it's learning how to swing dance, learning to drive, YouTube traffic, if you want to try to get your first consulting client under your belt, or you just want to understand how to easily promote profitable ecosystems. It's all going to happen if you just listen to what I've mentioned in this training. So if you really like this, make sure you subscribe, you hit that notification button, give this video a like so that others can start seeing more stress-free success. And also, I would encourage you to rewatch this and work through the 4 steps of mastery yourself.